This 24th.
Oh.
You sent
Is a heavy. বাহিৰত যে ওলাই আহিলে পুতেকে যে বাপেকক পূজাৰী
this different.
Appeal is partly allowed. The conviction under section 302 is converted to 304 part 2 and from life to 8 years. And fine will remain as same.
अब लाइव
May I please Lordship, my lord? We had given that adjournment request yesterday, my lord, as regards item number 24 and 28, my lord.
Why?
My senior is not there, my lord.
Who's the senior?
H. Chaudhary, my lord.
Huh?
H. Chaudhary, my lord. He was
You're
supposed
good
to-
enough.
My lord,
You're good enough.
kindly, without instructions, my lord.
Yes, what to do?
24 and 28.
Give me 24.
This is that Jhankar case for rupees 10.
24 to be-
Oh, 24 is different.
24 will-
Harihar Thakuria. Yes, yes. I filed my objection. It's on record. The I is on.
It's come up by
Paper book is there or not?
no.
So paper book is to be made.
IA for consideration of IA today, the matter was listed.
Ah,
For the bail, my lord.
then what is it? Eyewitnesses are there.
It's in orders too.
Orders. Can they come after 2
Yes,
weeks?
eyewitnesses are there
Look,
or not?
It's not gone.
He has no idea. What to do? Item 24. It is for the suspension of sentence.
CP9.
For POCSO, I think, no?
Posco, my lord.
POCSO. Section 4, I think. What is your name?
My lord.
What is your name?
N. Mahajan, my lord.
Your name is there in the Vakalatnama,
My lord.
and you're pretending not to know anything.
My lord, I know Posco, my lord.
Huh?
It's section 4 POXO as well as 366. But conviction
15 years.
under both. Conviction under both. Oh, sentencing is also under both.
I'll objection.
Yes. On what ground are you making the adjournment? Where?
Well, my senior Mr. H. Chaudhary, my lord, is the conducting counsel, my lord. He's not there today, my lord.
He's not there. Where?
He's gone outside, my lord. Some family, something is there, my lord.
Okay.
They can do it next week.
Ah, right. Oh, yes.
No, I don't know. 24.
You're there.
28, my lord.
No.
But
Just a minute. We'll 24. We're in 24.
No, technical.
Right. Mr. N. Mahajan, learned counsel, pays for adjournment on the ground that Mr. A. Chowdhury, who is leading in the case, is out of state. He also submits that application for adjournment has been filed yesterday,
Yesterday, my lord.
along with the no objection
Well,
given by the additional people. In view of the above, list the matter in the next week.
Next week.
this
Acha,
28
list the matter next week, then you write. And in the main case, you write, as LCR has arrived,
Yes.
my lord.
registry to prepare the paper book.
Item 28, my lord.
Item 28, yes,
28 is the hearing matter.
I
Hearing
know,
matter.
yes, what to do?
My lord, it is take with my lord other matters, my lord.
Huh?
Not I'm-
They prayed for time, my lord. If lordship, my lord. My matter is
28
take matter, my lord.
28.
28 and
matter is-
29, they all mix, they all
My
join,
lord.
then.
29 is service matter.
Lordship segregate, my lord, I can do it, but otherwise, my lord.
No, this is from the common judgment.
Huh?
This
Not
is from
common
the common
judgment, my lord.
judgment.
So we can segregate,
Uh,
can we segregate?
uh,
Huh?
Mala, it is difficult for the conveyance of this honorable court also, my lord. Two
No,
matters
we
may be
will
heard.
segregate it and the decision will bind the judgment, will
Yes.
bind the others.
Anyway,
We'll bind-
facts.
28 will be bound, the decision in 29 will decide 28.
If the facts are
Only
similar.
thing is,
in
my lord,
the-
there is only one thing difference, my lord. They are fetching TIP, my clients are not fetching TIP. That is a main thing.
You are facing?
Not TIP, my lord.
Or they were recognized by holding a TIP and.
Okay, okay.
That is a difference. Otherwise, all are a question, my lord.
So they're in a worse footing.
My lord.
This case, Lordship will know in Karbi Anglong, this incident took place.
Okay.
For a matter, the deceased had hired an auto, and while he was giving the fare to the auto, he didn't have the change. Then he went to take the change from a nearby shop, and in the meantime, his father was also there with him. And then there was father went to bring the money. Son was there inside the auto, and there was a quarrel. And all others came and then assaulted him to such an extent that he died. He was assaulted the entire road, entire way to the police station.
Oh.
They took him to the police station. And police came. Police also couldn't do anything because there was a mob of 100 people
What
more.
time was it?
That was-
Shakia, my lord.
Huh?
2013.
Shankar
13.
What time was it? Time?
Daytime, 11 o'clock,
Evening, my lord, evening.
daytime.
Around
Father
5,
is the eyewitness. He saw the entire incident.
Not exactly, my lord. Father is not a eyewitness, my lord.
Father
But
was
the-
there.
This story is, my lord, very sensitive. That is true. But these accused person, whether they
You
are
see,
involved or not.
sensitive or not sensitive, we have to decide the matter. Anyway,
Issue
that is not
sensitive. my lord.
the issue might be sensitive, but that cannot be a ground
Ground, my lord.
to either acquit or
Hmm.
convict. That is, sensitivity is a different issue. It
And
is-
few police personals are also eyewitnesses. They had come, they were restrained, and they had also given their
Anyway, what to
depositions.
do? He wants adjournment. Why? On what ground?
Segregation,
Again, he's out of
pretty
station.
My lord, he's supposed, has the file, he's supposed to brief,
Huh?
my lord.
What?
I won't be able to brief my senior, my lord. Mr. H. Chaudhary knows the matter, my lord.
Oh,
My lord.
maybe, my lord, short.
Okay, right. Mr. N. Mahajan,
But in item 28, I'm only praying for 2 weeks, because more than 100 witnesses.
praise that
More to one number.
Criminal Appeal 135/2020 may be adjourned as his senior counsel, Mr. A. Chowdhury, is out of station.
My lord.
He also submits that adjournment application has been submitted yesterday along with the no objection certificate issued by the additional PP. Pusta. Mr. M. Sarania appears for the appellants in Criminal Appeal 136/2020. Pusta. Mr.
AK Hussain, my lord, both the informant, both the cases.
Mr. A.K. Hussain appears for the informant in both the cases, while Ms. S. Jahan appears for, Ms. S. Jahan, additional PP appears for the state. In view of the fact that the two appeals are analogous, in as much as they challenge the same impugned judgment and order, the matters are adjourned for.
2 weeks.
Paper book is there or not?
Paper book is there.
Huh, it's there.
Matters
It's a bulky one,
Adjourned
but-
for 2 weeks.
Hundreds of witnesses are
But the
there.
only thing is that I prayed for bail, my lord. Then, as all are ready, my lord, fix for hearing. That's why, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, there's to, if my
We
more
can,
delay
we
is
can
there,
take up, we can take up
Bench-
the,
bench got to be considered, my lord.
that is not a problem.
my lord.
I was considered a number of times.
No,
No.
No.
not yet.
When do you want to take up? When?
My lord, according to for me too, but today also, tomorrow also, I have no problem. My lord,
On the
according
next
to
day,
my-
then after 2 weeks, my lord.
I. Oh, hearing.
Besides, I cannot say, my lord, my senior.
Okay, after 2 weeks.
Hmm.
So just possibly put
Just
the
like
date,
this,
my
that's
lord.
all. No,
Otherwise,
no
my
other.
lord, date, my lord.
Then a date for adjournment. No point, you'll ask for adjournment again.
Obliged, my lord.
Or do you want a date? Do you want a date, Mr.?
Date may be fixed, my lord.
My lord, possibly, my lord. Otherwise, it's very difficult.
Okay, right. On the pair of Mr. N. Mahajan and Mr. M. Sarania, list the matter on. Give a date.
March last week or you are about? No.
Hearing date, no.
16th of March?
16 na lage.
16 March?
16 na
No,
lage.
no, no.
April or sorry, time.
They don't want that.
April, May.
They are going to April.
16,
March,
22 la.
22 March.
23. 23 or
23rd
21.
is a Thursday.
No, no, more.
21 or
Oh.
23.
Hello.
On 23rd, he has problem.
Let it be 28 March, my lord.
28 March.
28 March.
28.
How about it?
Hare.
28 March.
আইয়ে কেন না
Oh, GA করা।
Everything.
obliged.
Okay. Yes, what is your name, madam?
NM Decca.
Huh?
NM Decca.
Oh, Miss N.M. Deka. Heard Miss N.M. Deka, learned counsel for the appellant, who submits that the judgment dated 11/5, no, the 2/5/2022, passed by the Sessions Court, Golagat, in Sessions Case number 19/2020, by which the appellant has been convicted under section 302 and 323 IPC should be set aside. Why the no, why no, full stop. The appellant was also sentenced to undergo a rigorous imprisonment for life with fine of rupees 10,000, in default RI for 3 months under section 302, and was also sentenced to undergo RI for 1 year with a fine of rupees 1,000, in default RI for 1 month under section 323 IPC. Admit the appeal, call for the LCR. Ms. S. Jahan, additional PP appears for the state. Lists the matter after
Then IA also, my lord. Bail.
receipt of the, lists the matter after receipt of the LCR. Huh? That in the IA, you're right.
Bail.
And this is an application for suspension.
Bail application.
This is
Suspend.
an application for suspension of the sentence and for grant of bail. Full stop. Ms. S. Jahan, additional PP is granted
2 weeks.
2 weeks time to file affidavit, written objection. This is the matter. After receipt of the LCR.
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
My Lordship,
So
there's a
we-
connected IA also. There's a delay of 30 days in filing the appeal.
where is the, so IA will have to,
IA.
but where's the IA? IA is not here.
It should have been, Lordship, I was surprised it should have been there. Because
So
unless the
you-
delay is
you-
condoned,
Is it under, just check. Just check and bring it up and let it be listed. Because we cannot take up the appeal
yes,
unless that.
I
IA
know
is
that,
there.
Lordship.
So what to do? After some time,
Let it be on the Monday, Lordship,
Monday,
if it is not inconvenient.
okay, right. Mr. R.K.D. Chaudhary, Deputy SGI submits that, Deputy SGI or what?
Deputy
Deputy
SGI.
SGI submits that an interim application praying for condonation of delay of
30 days.
30 days in filing the appeal had also been filed. First of, however, the same is not listed today. Registry to look into the same and list this case along with the IA on Monday.
Lordship.
Monday,
We are on the
basically,
other
better
side.
Tuesday, I think. No? Better Tuesday. Tuesday. No, your case, we'll list it on Tuesday.
Yes.
Because today list must,
Yes,
they
yes,
must
I
have
understand,
prepared.
Lordship.
Tomorrow is a holiday.
My lord, these 14 appeals
Yes,
have been filed, my lord, challenging the common judgment
Yes.
dated 8/6/2016 in special NI case number 1 of 2010, my lord.
yes,
The paper books has been prepared and served on us, my lord.
okay, people,
Now the date of hearing is fixed, my lord.
date of hearing. Okay, what about the IA?
We are on bail, my lord.
Yeah, all on bail.
Uh,
What about, so what is this IA with respect to
I'm
number
appearing,
3?
Uh,
Give us this 71.
my lord, I'm appearing in 5 cases out of
IA
these 14.
criminal 71. What is this?
Also,
71 of 2016 in item 3. It is there. 2016, 2019, yes. Just was there.
ये क्या है? मेरे ना ये नहीं आता नहीं मैं तो आया तो ना
I think this is I think there's nothing in this. To entertain this IA and pass an order directing the registry of this court to send the lower court records of special NIA case.
That,
One
that
of
has been
2010.
photocopied and that lower court records have been photocopied and kept in this court, Lordship.
So this has become infracted.
Lordship.
One co-accused was later on arrested. He was absconding.
So this IA has become
It has been
infracted.
disposed of. It has been disposed
Right. So right. Third, Mr.
B. Prasad, my lord. I'm appearing for 5 appellants out of these 14 cases.
You are
my lord.
appearing from
For 5 of the appellants, my lord.
which one?
Serial number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 11.
6, 7, 8, 9, and 11. Okay. Okay. Who is appearing in this item number
The other matters,
3?
Mr. M.G. Singh was. there.
Okay, right. No one in this item 3, you're right. IA, huh? Item 3 IA. No one appears for the applicant. No, Mr. RKD Chaudhary. It is your case. It is
There
your
is-
application.
there is-
Three, I'll be for the respondent.
No, you had made it.
No, but this IA is by you.
IA is filed by me, Lordship.
Mr. RKD Chaudhary, learned Deputy SGI submit that the application has become infracted. In the next, in the submission made by Mr. RKD Chaudhary, learned Deputy SGI, the IA is closed as infracted. Disposed of as infracted. Then, so that is that. And then give us, there's another IA here, and item 8.
Item
344/2016. What is
ये এখন তোমার আইয়ে নাকি কি হয় এটা?
Most only for bail.
এটা এটা সব
So far as I remember, it should be for bail. I don't have. the
Let us
highest
see why
bail
it is
with me,
here.
my lord. And it was disposed of. We were granted bail. my lord.
the application is allowed, it says. So basically allowed means disposed
Disposed
of.
of. Disposed of.
So we have nothing has to be stated. Why is it here? I don't know. Okay, then you write in the main case. In all the cases, you just write. The counsels for the parties submit that paper book has been prepared by the registry and furnished
Furnished to be- both
to
the
the parties. So accordingly, list this matter for hearing.
second week of May.
Me, it is. Lordship, if it is not
Second week
in
of May.
last week of April, Kolo.
Oh.
Huh? He's having some difficulty.
I don't know, you tell me.
April, he is having difficulty. May, he is having difficulty.
I don't know, you tell.
So,
Kishore,
huh?
Kishore,
16th May.
Let it be in the first week of May. Huh? Let it be in the first week of May, Lordship.
May.
First week
Okay,
of May.
list the matter in the first week of May. List the matters. Huh? Do we need a date?
Not required. We'll make a mention, joint mention.
Obliged. Well done.
Item 17. Item 17, Miss D. Saikia is there. She is in Hyderabad looking after her father. Her father is not well. Her
Then-
father was Justice, retired Justice P.K. Saikia. So he is not well. So she is in Hyderabad. So she has received the paper book, she said. Even I have received. It can be taken up for hearing, but as far as a service is concerned, not required. It is
No.
302 only. 448
No, no, no.
302. So it can be fixed for hearing.
So, but how do we know that she'll be here?
She'll be here. She'll
She'll
be
be
here.
here.
She'll be coming
Okay,
after
right.
2-3 days.
Uh, Office note indicates that paper book has been served
Yes.
upon the
Yes. Amicus.
learned PPSM
And amicus also.
and
she-
by the amicus curiae also. Accordingly, leave this matter for hearing.
Mm.
Date is required.
In due course, 2019
Leave
matter,
the
it will come.
matter for hearing in due course. No one appears on behalf of the learned, on behalf of the appellant. As LCR has arrived,
Hmm.
registry to prepare the paper book. List the matter after preparation of paper book.
19.
Acha, wait, no, sorry, that is office note.
Uh-huh.
It does not say what, wait. Sorry. No LCR, sorry.
Hey,
Just
this
right,
committee,
no one
oh,
appears
oh,
on behalf of the appellant.
No, Lordship, I
Office
am
note
appealing
indicates
this.
that
Lordship, I am appealing.
LCR has not been received
Hmm.
from the Sessions Court Baksa, Mushalpur. Registry to send a reminder for the same. List the matter.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf.
Huh?
I am appearing on behalf of item number.
Item number 18 or 19, this is 18, 18 you are not there, 19 is there.
List the matter after 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
List the matter.
19 or 9.
There is the office note.
There is no paper book.
No paper. Paper book is not prepared as
No,
of
no,
yet.
no LCR also, I think.
No LCR also.
Right.
Oh.
The Mr.
Dedas.
Adas appears for the appellant. And Miss S. Jahan, learned PP and learned additional PP appears for the state. Office note indicates that no LCR has been received from the additional sessions court number 2, Nagong. Registry to send a reminder for the same. Leaves the matter after 3 weeks.
20, it's a state appeal, your lordship. There is a mistake I've noticed. The mistake in regard to the order being attached to the particular application. That order, the last order, should have been in the IA. It is reflected that it is in the LP. Because delay was the delay has to be condoned first. After that, lordship will go to the LP. Now, what had happened is that we had taken steps in the IA. And the office noticed that we have not taken steps in the IA, but in the LP. We have taken steps in the IA, not in the LP. But the mistake lies in the order itself, not in our, not in regard to our office. Lordship will see, it is a delay application. The order should have been in the delay application.
Correct. Okay, right. In the how many days delay? 53 days.
53 days delay.
October.
Yes, Boxo. Durga Ghosh. There's an office note saying that we had taken wrong steps in wrong application, but
Okay, right. In the IA, you're right.
in the LP,
In the
in the IA, yes, IA,
in-
delay
in-
condonation.
There is a LP also. There is a delay also.
Yes, yes. Delay, as far as my knowledge goes, delay has to be condoned first, then LP.
Right, in 838, this is an application for condoning the delay of 53 days in preferring the appeal against the judgment and order of acquittal passed by the learned special judge Goragat in special bracket POXO case number 54/2009. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks.
Notices was already issued in the
No,
IA, but it was
it was
wrongly.
mentioned in, so we'll make it corrected here. You take fresh step.
Lordship, Lordship,
Okay.
I'll take again then. I'll
Yes, you
again.
take fresh steps. So this will clear up. Why bother going around, you know?
Ah, yes.
Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Applicant to take step for service of notice upon the sole respondent by a registered post with AD within
3 days.
3 days. List the matter after 4 weeks. Okay. Next para. What about the other? In the IA also? In that LP also we can do it together.
After the delay is condoned, Lordship will go to the LP.
Okay.
Obliged. One.
Right, with your lordship. LCR notes is matter. LCR is called for. As per office note. 20.
Office note.
Okay, right.
Acha.
The appellant and the state are represented. However, office note dated 16/2/23 states that no LCR has been received from the Sessions Judge Biswanath. Registry to send a reminder for the same. List the matter after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Lordship, I pray for some time to file our objection. Weeks time be granted. On the last occasion, I've taken time, Your Lordship.
In the main appeal, you write, in the main appeal, as LCR has arrived, a registry to prepare the paper and list the matter after preparation of paper. Then in the IA, you write, Ms. B. Bhuyan, additional PP is granted 2 weeks time to file written objection. List the matter after receipt of the list the matter after 2 weeks.
Some shooting.
Please, Lordship. Lord, my senior is on license code 15. Kindly pass over the matter for time being.
$25.
25, Your Lordship, I'll file my objection by next week, Your Lordship.
$25 in the appeal, you write, as LCR has arrived, registry to prepare the paper book, list the matter after preparation of paper book. Then in the IA, you write, Ms. B. Bhuyan, additional here.
If that order is passed, then my IA will not be listed after
No,
next
no.
week. Lordship.
Babu,
If paper direction is for paper book is there, then file will go to the translation section. Lordship.
Huh?
If direction to prepare the paper book is there, then file will go to translation section. Lordship.
Oh.
So that order may not be passed at this stage, Lordship.
So we can dispose it of now also. While the
No,
written
but
objection has to be.
IA we need to file our objection. Only
Okay.
2 days time be granted.
Okay, right. Miss B. Buyan, additional PP is granted. How much time?
2 days time. It's
2 days time to file written objection. List the matter on
after a week, Your Lordship.
after a week.
May I please?
LCR.
LCR has received.
Paper book be prepared now.
Okay, as
I am the legal aid counsel.
LCR has been received, registry to prepare the paper book. List the matter after preparation of paper.
Obliged.
Is Lordship, this case is for continuation of delay, 200 days delay.
Delay.
Lordship.
Yes, any objection, madam?
NDPS matter.
This is a jail appeal. Lordship.
Jail appeal,
I am
jail
the
appeal.
legal aid counsel. Lordship.
You're a
You-
legal aid
I am the
counsel.
legal aid
So we'll
counsel.
allow this appeal.
Lodge.
Yes, right. Third, Miss
D. Borpujari.
D. Bor
Bor
Pujari, learned counsel for the applicant slash appellant, who submits that there is a delay of 200 days in filing the appeal against the judgment and order dated 26/5/22 and 30/5/22 passed by the learned sessions judge cum special judge Moregaon, Assam, in NDNPS case number 3/2020, by which the applicant has been convicted under section 22C, read with section 29 of the NDNPS Act, and sentenced him to undergo RI for 14 years with a fine of rupees 1 lakh, in default to undergo SI for 3 years. Miss S. Jahan, addition PP, submits that as the appeal is a jail appeal, the delay of 200 days may be condoned. Next. On perusing the grounds for the delay and taking into consideration the submission made by the learned additional PP, we find sufficient cause for the delay has been made out. So accordingly, the delay of 200 days in filing the appeal is condoned. I is accordingly. No, it's condoned. Full stop. Registry to register the appeal and list the same. I is accordingly disposed.
For admission, yes. 31. That medical report Lordship has called for, that is there. He is suffering for high blood pressure and
Lumbar spondylitis.
no, not lumbar.
Spondylitis is not that, but high
Harry.
blood pressure is almost 190/100. That's in the area of hypertensive crisis.
Vertigo.
That may lead to heart attack. The report will say 190 to 100.
The second page is the report, Lordship. will
You
see.
must have had something just before having that.
that then the jail authorities had to say.
And vertigo also.
I'm just asking.
Vertigo is just
Yes.
you've got a headache.
Headache also is
not
there.
necessarily for this issue only vertigo may happen, and it
Maybe,
may also lead to heart disease. My only submission is my 3 sons are inside jail. I am not going to run away. I'm 73-year-old person just on medical ground.
But then I didn't file my objection. I
You have
think, no?
filed it.
Oh, I filed. Oh, yes,
Objection.
I filed it long back. But otherwise, medical report, Lordship will see, he is having high blood pressure, vertigo, migraneous headache. His blood pressure is 190/100. He has also joint pain. He has
Actually,
given.
at that age, the body doesn't function as it when you are a 20-year-old.
That's a more
Part of life.
That's a more valid ground to give bail. If body does not function that way, jail does not
But
have
the
that
problem is
infrastructure.
that doesn't give you the license to go around doing things that are not allowed.
I
as
understand,
per
my lord, that was a free fight happened between both the parties.
Huh?
The incident that happened was a free fight between both the parties. It was a mob fight. 149, I am also brought in.
And the 70-year-old taking part in a mob
My
fight.
lord, the problem with section 149 is along with the big fishes, the small fishes also get fried. That is the big problem with section 149. My
149.
presence itself becomes a crime there. It's only on the health ground I'm seeking. The other three applicants are my sons. They are in jail. I'm not going to push them into the death hole and run away.
But then if we give bail to one, then what happens to the others?
Not necessarily. This is a 389 application. Does not mean they will come under parity.
Otherwise, age cannot be a factor for 389 application. There are judgments to that effect.
I'm not simply
Here-
asking age. The medical grounds ought to be looked into.
Otherwise, merit-wise, he has hit the deceased with a spade. That is there. Applicant
old
number
man.
1,
The old man.
old man.
He hit the
Yes,
with the spade.
yes. Started with applicant number 4 dealt a dow blow on the head. Applicant number 3 on the back, and applicant number 1 with a spade on the head.
Incident was
So-
of 2013. That time I was 63 years. So not an old man.
2013, no?
Now it's 2023. My only ground is 73 years and I'm having hypertension. That is my only ground.
That much so we noticed.
And 3 of my sons are in jail on the same crime.
Maybe.
So I'm not going to run away by throwing them.
Only problem is when you hit someone on the head with a spade. Have you ever used a spade in your life?
Yes,
Yes, you
I do gardening.
You do gardening. Okay. And then you know when you hit someone with a spade, the force.
But the injury with which he has died, as per the medical report, is because of the axe injury on the back.
Maybe.
Next.
Maybe. I mean, different body blows are there.
And head injury, subject to correction, there's not much injury on the head, as per the medical evidence.
He was, when was the impugned judgment and order passed?
June 22.
June 22. And he was in jail all along, or he was on bail?
No. All along bail, after conviction, he has gone. From 2nd June 2022, he has been in jail.
Injuries are there on the skull bone. Injuries are there on the occipital.
You passed the order. Not now.
Injuries were otherwise there on the occipital scalp with fracture of the skull bone.
Oh.
Chest is also
there was a fracture in the
in
head.
the
also.
skull bone. Yes.
My lord, this medical judgment says medical legal opinion was that death of the person was due to cardiorespiratory failure following head injury caused by sharp heavy weapon found on
Caused by
reliable person.
head injury.
Next.
Head injury.
Hemioperimeothorax and head injury.
Head injury.
Cause of death was homicide in nature,
Yeah.
was caused by heavy sharp weapons like axe.
Heavy sharp metal like axe.
No,
can be also-
PW2 specifically states one of my son has hit the deceased with an axe.
On the chest. That is there.
That is there.
But spade is also there.
Okay, we'll pass the order later on. Okay. My sister will be passing the order. So what's your name?
DK Bhattacharya.
Mr. DK Bhattacharya appears for the applicant, while Ms. S. Jahan, additional PP, appears for the state. Yes. Then what about the main appeal?
Paperbook may be ordered.
Actually, already that order is there. I is disposed of.
Wait, please, your lordship. As per office note, LCR is not received.
What about I?
That was directed to be heard after receipt of LCR. That was supposed to be heard after receipt of LCR. Lordship.
Is it? Where does it say?
First order probably is there.
No. Doesn't say that it will be after receipt of LCR. What is your case?
My case is that I was convicted under section 6 of POCSO for 20 years. Let the record receipt. After that, I will be confident.
This, why is this here? This has to be in the IA. This is the appeal. This is appeal. This is IA. What is this? This is also you given here and here. Anyway, so this is the appeal. This is the idea. Yeah. Yes.
Lordship, I may be considered after receipt of LCR.
No, no. We said no further adjournment will be given on the same day.
On last occasion, Lordship, I asked my colleague to inform the court that LCR
Sorry,
is not
sorry.
received, Lordship.
We have already passed an order. Whatever is there, you let us see. Your application is here. Her written objection is here.
Lordship. Lordship, you will find the FIR at annexure to page 25.
Yes.
With due respect, begs to state that the above name accused frequently come to our house. This is POCSO matter, Lordship.